Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have Elementor loaded. Open the page and pick the widget you want to link. First, click to edit a text, button, image, or icon. Once selected, look to the link field in the left panel, enter a full URL for external links or start with a # to use an anchor. Make sure to choose the correct link type now so later steps alter behavior correctly, and keep the panel visible for the next configuration actions. Now configure how the link behaves. Paste the full URL or use Mailto. For email and tell. For phone numbers. For page anchors, type #your ID. Once done, click the gear or settings icon next to the link field to set open in new window or add nofollow. Enable dynamic tags if you need data-driven links. Make sure the anchor ID exists on the target element and is unique to prevent conflicts. And visually can finish by saving or updating the page and using preview to test the link in desktop and mobile views. If the link fails, clear any caching plugin and browser cache, then retest. Often the issue is an omitted protocol like HTTPS or a plugin conflict. If problems persist, inspect the element with browser DevTools or check server response codes. And if an anchor won't jump, verify the target has the exact ID and isn't hidden by sticky headers that offset the scroll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.